Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Padmashri from SNS College of Technology. Today, I am here with you to explain the concepts of fundamentals of data science and analytics. In that, I am going to explain you about introduction to data science. What is the need for data science? Let's dive into the subject and explore what is this data analytics concept. Move on to the slides. Data science. What is the data science? So, I can split this data science into two, data and science. What is the data? Data will be having the collections of information or the information about something. Some example, you can say information about one, either the machines or anything. So, it is nothing but you are going to collect something about that particular product. Okay, so the data science, it is a science is a combination of maths and statistics, specialized programming. So what are the specialized programming involved in the concept of data science? Advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So I can define a data science. Data science is mainly it is going to have a collection, or we can say a deep insights of business analytics. So data science is going to provide you the information about the business analytics, and you can say something which is hidden in particular data, hidden information in a particular data. Okay, so data science, what it is going to use? It uses the advanced analytical theory and various method. For example, we can take a time series analysis. So where this time series analysis will be useful for predicting the future. So if you want to predict anything in the future, say for example, if I want to predict rainfall, so this data science will be useful in predicting future. Okay, so how this is happening from the historical data? So instead of knowing many products which is sold in the previous quarter, the data science which helps in forecasting the future product. Okay, what is the sales of that product? If we into that sales business, what will be the revenue? What is the profit we will get? So all those things will be analyzed. So data science plays a major role, or it is going to explain a deep insight about the business analytics. Okay, so in another word, I can say it is data science is an extraction of clean information from the raw data to form an actionable insight. So the life cycle, the main important life cycle of the data science. First, it's a capture. Next is a maintain. Third one is the process. Fourth is analyze, and fifth is to communicate. So this is the main important life cycle of a data science. We need to, the first step should be we need to capture the data, which means data collection, and data maintaining the data, which means you need to cleansing the data, or data we can say it as tagging, and processing the data is the second stage. The third one is to process. How to process the data? So we can use some of the algorithms, data mining, clustering, and classification algorithm for particularly doing for processing, for modeling, and data summarization. The fourth one we have is the analyzer. So you need to analyze how the data or examined, like data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, and decision making. And the fifth step is to communicate. So after we do all the steps, the last will be the communication. It means that exploratory and confirmatory analysis, like we can say for predictive analysis, like I told you earlier, like predicting the rainfall. This is in which you are going to predict in the future whether the rainfall may come or not. Is an example that regression. So these are all the example for communication. So this is the 5-stage life cycle of a data science. As I said, what is the need for data science? Data science is about data gathering. We all know. The main and important need is to analysis. and also for decision making. Data gathering, analysis and decision making is the main need of the data science. So where we are going to use, why the data science is, where it is going to use, why. So for handling the massive and complex data, for extracting the meaningful insights, support for decision making, interdisciplinary approaches, and also for automation and predictive analysis. In these areas we are going to use, and the data science will be very much useful in these uh, areas, like complex data, handling the complex data. Sometimes handling a big data will be challenging for data science, so data science will be used in that, extracting some of the meaningful information from the bulk of data, and whether you need to continue this business or not, analysis, business analysis, and taking the decision. And interdisciplinary approach, like we have mathematics, statistics, computer science, domain expertise, like in all these areas we use the data science. And predictive ability. Next, sometimes we can, not in sometime, mainly we can use across the industries. The data science is used across the industries and big data sectors, and also bridging gap between the data and action. So the data science depends on six critical elements: analytical opportunities, data, analytical techniques, people, technology, and culture. So where it is needed, where the data science is needed, mainly in these case studies, like for example for route analysis or route planning, to forecast the delay of to foresee the delays of flight, ship, train, to create a promotional offers, to find the best suited time to deliver goods, to forecast the next year revenue for a company, to analyze the health benefits of training, to predict the elections also. So in these areas we use a data science. So and also the data science applications: e-commerce, manufacturing, banking, healthcare, and healthcare, transport, and finance. So in these areas the data science is widely useful. So, what to expect when I study the data science? What to expect when pursuing the, when I pursue the data science? How is my career? So you can work as a, you can search for the potential jobs like analytical manager, business intelligent analysis analyst, clinical data manager, data analyst, etc. So some of the top industries employed the data scientists in 2021 as scientific research and development service, computer system design, management of companies and enterprise management, scientific and technical consulting services, insurance careers. So these are so many career opportunities are available when we study and when we pursue the data science. So thank you so much for watching this video.